Hello everyone. Guys, many viewers are there who always say, why don't you make vlog videos? Why have you stopped making it? Guys, the thing is that the first thing, I'm not in my village. When I was in my village, I had a lot of contents to talk about, to show you. Now I have come back to Noida. So here I don't have anything to show. I don't know where to go, what to show. However, if I want, I can go and make vlogs. Second thing, I don't have any good camera. I would say I didn't have, because now I have purchased it. That's why I'm making this video. See, I have a DSLR camera. So if you start vlogging using DSLR camera, it doesn't look good. It's heavy as well. It's not quite portable. So I used to make vlogs using mobile phone. As you can see this, earlier I used to use this Gorilla tripod, Then I purchased this. This is something nice, cool, this tripod. However, you have to put your mobile phone and talk. And if you have any urgent call to receive, you can't use that. I mean, if you're blogging, you're recording the video, you have to put your mobile on flight mode. So maybe any person wants to talk to you, he's trying to call you, so you cannot talk, you cannot receive the call. So it was the problem too. So I thought that there should be any portable camera so that I can make vlog, and it should not look as if I'm from a news media or something, all the people are looking at me. So I have purchased a very portable camera, I would say. It's quite handy camera. Let me show you. It's very small and it's a gimbal camera. So here we go. Can you see this? It is looking. It's a gimbal camera. And the plus point of this camera is it's quite handy. You can just hide it in your hand. See, it's like that. You can hold it like this and you can talk like this. Hi guys, how are you? You can talk, you can make the vlog, isn't it? You don't need to go with any kind of huge or mini tripod or gorilla pod. Not required. So and you can put it here, you can put it like this also, okay, and you can record a video. Okay, so let me tell you, the very first thing, it is very portable, very small. You can keep it in your pocket, you can carry anywhere. Second thing, it has gimbal. So gimbal means stability would be there, okay? It has gimbal. Third thing, it can shoot 4K video, 4K. So I have bought it because it attracted me a lot. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. And it you don't need any external mic. Right now I'm shooting using my DSLR camera, and you can see this external mic. I have purchased this mic for 30,000 rupees. 30,000 rupees का ये मैंने पहना हुआ है mic. So you don't require any mic. Here it has inbuilt mic. One mic is here and second is here. Two noise reduction mic is here. I think noise reducer, something like that. क्या नाम है इसका? So two mics are there, and one micro SD card is required, which I have put here, 64 GB micro SD card. So I'm going to turn it on, guys. Here we go. Let's see how it turns on. See, it's gimbal. So the plus point of this gimbal is this. Right now, so let me turn it on first. Now it is recording 4K video. Can you read here? You can't see this. It is recording 4K video. So I can shoot like this. See, now I am shooting it using my this small gimbal camera. See, you can see. And if I want to shoot myself, I just need to press a button and it will simply flip without stopping my video. So here we go. See, now it is capturing me. Isn't it cool? I just love this camera. So now I have this portable camera, and now I will start vlogging. I will go here and there. Whenever I get time, I will go and make videos for my viewers who love my blog videos, okay? So right now I'm using my DSLR also, and I'm using this also, this portable camera, okay? Again, I want to shoot background, so I just need to press one button and here we go. It will flip. It will start shooting. Isn't it cool? Fine, guys. So today I am going to my new gym. So I will shoot some video footages over there, and it will be my first blog after coming back to Noida, and after that I will start making some other blogs as well. So thank you very much everybody. Stay connected. See you guys. Take care. So guys, now I'm going to my gym and I'm recording this video using this portable camera, the smallest camera, and it has microphone, so I don't need any external microphone. Right now I'm in crowd, so I don't know what kind of voice quality is there. So now I have decided whenever I get time I will definitely make vlogs, just because I got a very nice camera for me. So now I finally have reached my gym, so I would like to show you the gym from inside. Okay guys, so okay, I'm not turning it off. I'm going to show you the gym from inside. So this is my gym, and I can show you the gym, but the voice quality will not be good just because the music system is on here. I can flip it and show you. See, so this is me standing, okay, and this is my entire gym. It's such a beautiful gym. This is my new gym, because actually earlier when I used to go to gym, that time it was just a local gym. The equipment were not up to the mark, but here all the facilities can be seen in this gym. And I had stopped working out it has been many months I haven't done exercise. I went to village and I attended marriage party. I ate a lot, so I have put on so much weight, so I have to check my weight first. So there is a weighing machine. Let me check my weight first. Here we go. So my weight is, can you see, 76.800. My God, earlier it was only 73. So I have gained so much weight. So here, if you talk about the gym, you can see treadmills. There are so many treadmills. There are so many cycles here. So this section is for your cardio, and if you want to do weight training, so for weight training we have another section. This is the music system making a noise. See, for weight training all kind of machines are available here for weight training. So all are attractive machines, as you can see. So many machines available. So it is going to be my first day in this gym. So let's see which exercise I do today. So you know, dumbbells are also here. Dumbbell rack is here. You can see there are so many dumbbells here. You know, you can see. And for chest, this machine is for chest. This is also for chest. And this machine, hi buddy, hi. He is my trainer. He is my trainer. So there are so many machines out here. You can see. So guys, so I'm just going to start my gym from today onwards. I will not upload videos every day just because it will not look good. When I see some changes, then I will upload some videos. But I will keep on making vlogs. Wherever I go, if I see I should make vlog, I will definitely make vlog. So stay connected. Thank you guys. Thank you.